This is what happens in my area. This is my kitchen, and when it starts raining, the rain just destroys everything. So right there, the fire is still going, but you can see the water has intruded everything. So you can hear the sound of the rain from the roof. There is a lot of wind, and we are making losses like those ones. The avocado tree has broken. So the goats are also stuck here. I have nowhere else to put them. So this is the area where we collect water from in case it's raining. Right there, it's how our compound floods. Every time it rains, water just gets stagnant in one place like that. So that's the kind of mud we have around when it rains. Everyone fears coming outside. Damn. No shoes. Of course, you can't come with shoes here at this time. So you come barefooted. You leave a stamp. And this is our road that leads us home. So every time it rains, this is what happens. And it goes straight down. But those are the marks it leaves. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.